Hello and welcome to phuketpals, GED Express screencast with me, Teacher Jimmy. Today's lesson focuses on executive branch. So as we all know, we have three branches of government, which are the following: judicial, legislative, and executive. Now I'm going to tackle about the executive branch. So as we all know, the executive branch has a president. President. The executive branch, we have the president, the vice president, the cabinet members, the executive departments, and the bureaucracies. So here, we have the president, which is only one, and we have also a vice president, which is only one as well. And also we have 15 cabinet members, such as the following. So we have also the qualification for a president and a vice president. So it's very essential also for running to become a president or elected as a president or a vice president. They have this kind of qualification, sort of. So at least he or she must be 35 years old, must be a naturally born citizen from the United States of America, and also lives in the United States of America at least 14 years, and also have a good moral character. So these are very significant if you're going to run as a president or a vice president. About the terms, so we have terms of the office or term of the office. So the president and the vice president are elected to for 4 years terms. And the 22 amendments also limits the president to 2 terms or no more than 10 years. So as we all know that the president, his job is to carry laws. So that means his job is a chief of commander. He's also agrees the vetoes, and also he's also the leader of the United States of America. So for example, if the president is not doing his job or her job, so that means the vice president is going to be the president. So both of them have the same terms, which is 4 terms, 4-year terms rather. So we have also compensations. So as we all know that the president and the vice president have their own salary or wages. So we have here the list. Salary for 4,000 US dollars in 2001. We have also $50,000 for expenses. We have $100,000 for travel. We have the White House, 132 rooms, and the office. So Camp David Resort, medical and dental care are also covered. Secret Service protection, life, pension, and transportation, and so on and so forth. So as we all know that the vice president and the president, both of them have a compensation or benefits. Now we are going to study again, which is the Presidential Successions Act. So as we all know that Vice President of the United States of America, it's very important because if the president or he or she is not doing well with his job, or he might have an accident, or maybe something going on, then the replacement will be the Vice President from the United States of America. And we have also the Speaker of the House. We have also the President pro term, and we have also the cabinet secretaries in order for department to origin, which are the following: the State, Treasury, and Defense. Now, these Presidential Successions Act are very significant, essential towards the government, which is the 3 branches of government, which is checks and balances. The 25th Amendment, 1967. So basically, we have this protocol in the 27 amendments. So in the 25th Amendment says, in 1967, if the president cannot complete or comply his term, the vice president becomes the president of the United States of America. So you know already the hint. So if the president has have an accident, or she or he has an accident, or maybe not doing his job, so that means the one who will replace her or him will be the vice president. So if the vice president's office is vacant, if it's available, then the president also will appoint one with Senate approval. So as we all know that there are 100 senators in the legislature. Okay, as we all know that he's very famous and he is a Republican. So the current president right now in the United States of America rather, is Donald John Trump. So he was born June 14, 1946, and he is the 45th president in the United States of America. So if you would like to know more about phuketpals, see our Facebook page or call us on 081-417-0978. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you and see you on my next screencast and have a great day.